now comes Google Plus. Okay? Now, in Google Plus, so how many of you have Google Gmail accounts? So that means we all have Google Plus accounts, by the way. Right? It's that simple. You just go to Google Plus, we all have accounts there. Okay? And more than likely, they already start to create circles for you. The whole concept in Google Plus is circles. You have your family circle, your acquaintances circle, your friends circle, your whatever circle. I can create an e-tailing India circle. I can create an advantage circle. So there's circles that get created, okay? Because every person that's linked to you in Google Plus belongs in one of those circles, okay? So the way Google Plus works is those circles and what is called communities. Basically, those circles are communities, okay? There's huge search engine optimization benefit by being part of Google Plus or by posting in Google Plus as well. Because it's Google's product. Google gives you a huge, huge upside if you're using Google Plus. One of the ways is the next one, which is something called authorship. Okay? What happens is, if you add authorship to your website through Google Plus, not only do you get a boost, but next to your SEO listings, you get to see those images, like the one I showed over there. So there's a concept of authorship, okay? So through Google Plus, you can actually add authorship to your website, saying you're the author, right? Or you're the creator, right? If you do that, not only do you get an SEO boost, but your picture will appear next to your search results, like the example there. That's a huge benefit, okay? The other benefit of Google Plus is the Google Hangouts. This is live streaming, okay? So basically, you can create like a webinar using Google Hangouts, okay, with the community that you've built, okay, or even outsiders, but especially with the community you've built, okay? So you can actually create an online event and say, like, today we're going to be talking about, I don't know, what's the newest trend in women's fashion wear, okay? And create a whole Google Hangout around it, okay? And lastly, but not least, Google Plus has an integration with something called SoundCloud, okay? Where you can actually share audio clips, okay? This is something unique because it's all integrated in, right? There's a company called SoundCloud. And basically, you can actually, this is one of the fewer social platforms that lets you share audio across to its audiences.
Sir, it seems that Google Plus is completely untapped opportunity that we should take it up, is it?
Yes, absolutely. It's the newest. It's still growing. Obviously, it's Google associated, so it's always do well.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Right? But yes, it's untapped. A lot of people are still trying to figure out how to use it because they're still putting a lot of functionality in. Like I said, adding SoundCloud is a newer functionality that they put in, right? Google Hangouts is a big thing.
Lots of even SEO. I mean, you can't underestimate SEO facility.
Absolutely, absolutely. So it is untapped. Unfortunately, still doesn't have the kind of traction the others do. Okay, it's been around for a while, but still, you don't see the growth coming that fast.
Even when the concept of circulating in our own circle is completely new again. When you are building your own community-wise, circle-wise.
Correct. So again, what they've done is taken concept of group and created circles, right? Beyond
but
that,
again, the family circle, friend circle, and
correct.
you are creating your own circles
Correct.
and making a community in a way.
Yes, yes. So Google Hangouts is like a webinar. You can chat, live stream. It's not only just chat, right? It's a live streaming also. They have full video capacity capability in it, right? So you can actually create a hangout where people all join in, and it's a full live stream. All right. So that brings us to an end on social media marketing. Okay. So we've talked about Facebook. We've talked about LinkedIn. We've talked about Twitter. We mentioned Instagram. We mentioned Pinterest. Okay. we mentioned Google Plus. Okay, what leaves out of this is video marketing, okay, which we'll be covering next. And then obviously Google Analytics, which will overall talk about marketing and how to measure and fix our strategy. Okay? All right. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome,
All
sir.
right. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.